Couple days ago, I got my another TikTok affiliate account accepted to the TikTok affiliate program, which now requires you to have 5,000 followers. I know. They increased that requirement again. It went from 5,000 to 1,000 to 5,000 again, but that didn't stop me to get into this program. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can become TikTok affiliate super fast within a day, maybe two, and you will not have to create content. You can just do a simple trick that will require from you spending a lot of money, and I'm going to show you how to do it with the lowest budget possible so you can start earning affiliate money right away, okay? Because remember, you would need to spend money in order to become an affiliate, but think about the potential. This video right here, that's 40-second video, okay? For the Father's Day present generated 250,000, okay? So spending less than 150 bucks, I think it's not a bad idea if you want to jump into this program and earn as much as 250,000 with just one TikTok affiliate video, okay? And what you will need to spend money on? Well, you will need to spend money on advertisement. Here's the ad campaign that I was running in order to get to the 5,000 followers. And as you can see, I spent $141 for this ad campaign and I generated 4,168 followers. And the reason being why I have 4,168 followers gain is because I already had 1,000 followers because I was running ad campaigns before they changed, when they changed the requirement to 5K. So I just needed to add another extra 4K. So that's why I was able to generate 4,000 followers within 2 days or something. I think that's the time frame we were working on. So yeah, this method absolutely works. And if you follow my steps, you can do it as well. I already made a video about it, but that video is kind of outdated because first it's about how to gain 1,000 followers. And second thing, there's one major change that happened within that week. It doesn't really work anymore. And then it's basically using memes in order to get 5K followers. Maybe before we start, let me explain you how this method works. And then I'm gonna show you what to do, okay? Okay, so the method is very simple. You're gonna run ads on TikTok to gain followers, right? And you're not gonna run ads in US or UK. If you're trying to open a TikTok affiliate account in UK, you're gonna run ads in countries where the cost per lead is very cheap. And the cheapest countries on TikTok right now that you can run ads for is Egypt, Turkey, and Morocco, okay? Those are the cheapest one on our list. So we're gonna run ads in these three countries. We're not gonna have any targeting, okay? The targeting is gonna be very broad because it doesn't matter what these people are interested in. What does matter is that we gain the 5,000 followers, okay? And this method absolutely works because as you can see right now, this is the account that I gained 5,000 followers and I can apply to become an affiliate, okay? But you might ask what type of ads we're gonna run, okay? So in my previous video about the 1K method, I was talking about using Elon Musk memes in order to gain followers. Why Elon Musk? Because he's very recognizable. There's tons of memes and videos about him. I was talking about just gaining a YouTube short from YouTube and then running an ad on that on TikTok. But for some reason, I think TikTok hates Elon because every video that I would download from YouTube and re-release on TikTok would get disabled, or after a while would just stop running. Even after I edited the videos, that was still the case. So I decided, you know what? Okay, I'm just gonna create something new, original, okay? And I found a very easy way to create something original and that would get a lot of followers, okay? And that is basically making a slideshow of free wallpapers that people can download on their phone. Everyone loves the free wallpaper on their phone. So there's a bunch of people in Egypt, Morocco, and Turkey that want to get the free wallpapers from TikTok. All you have to do is just come up with something and put as a wallpaper. And don't worry, I'll give you exact template that you can use in Midjourney, which is the AI generator that will generate the templates you want, okay? This is what I did. This is the post I was running ads on. So as you can see, this post has 20,000 views, okay? Bunch of comments from people from, you know, all over the world. And it's just like a slideshow of 5 images, I believe, something like that. Just put it together. I don't know if you know, but you can put photos on TikTok now. So all you have to do is select 5 photos from your album and put them as a slideshow on TikTok. And this is exactly what we did here. I have 5 images of like a wallpaper of cities from Europe, and I said in the description that, hey, take a screenshot and save them on your phone as a wallpaper, and all of people did that. They downloaded this and they also follow me for more wallpapers, okay? And here's something that I created right here in Midjourney. As you can see, I created a template for a wallpaper with Paris. This is the prompt. You can literally just copy this prompt. I'm gonna have it in the description of this video, so you can just literally copy this prompt and put it in the Midjourney. So all you have to do is just type in imagine, put the prompt, and you can change the city from, let's say, Paris to London, for example, and Midjourney is gonna create templates of this wallpaper. You need about 5, and then you're gonna post them on TikTok as a one post, and voila, you're gonna use this post to run the ad, okay? So there it is. This is a London picture. As you can see, it's very nice, it looks cool. And now all you have to do is just download 5 of these. So maybe you have a London, Paris, I don't know, Berlin, Prague, like 5 European cities or something. Put them all together and you're good to go, okay? Okay, so once you have your post ready for your TikTok account, now you're gonna run ads, okay? So let me show you how you're gonna set up this ad campaign for this 5K project, okay? So first thing first, you're gonna go to the ad manager. If you don't have an account for TikTok ad manager, just create one. It's very simple and very easy to do it. You just put your email and that's pretty much it. And then you're gonna click on create an ad campaign, and when it's gonna ask you if you wanna go with the simple template or the advanced one, go with the advanced one. So then you're gonna see the menu that you see right here, okay? And once you see this menu, what you wanna do is you wanna click on community interaction. And this is very important because community interaction will allow us to gain followers. We're gonna wanna run a campaign that will allow us to gain followers. That's very important that we select that. And then you're gonna scroll down. You can name your campaign whatever you want. Let's say get followers, for example. Doesn't really matter. I suggest you set up a campaign budget. I spent about 150 bucks for this, so maybe put 150 and then click on continue. Next, you're gonna go to location and you're gonna delete the United States and type in Turkey, Egypt, and Morocco. Gender, all, age, all, languages, all. It doesn't really matter to us what these people are interested in. That we don't care. Only thing we care about is to get the followers, okay? When it comes to audience, you're gonna ignore this. Interests and behaviors, we're gonna ignore this. We're gonna ignore all of it, okay? We're gonna scroll down all the way to the budget. For the daily budget, it doesn't really matter either. We already have set up the ad budget campaign. You literally can just put 150 if you really want to, okay? Because that's our lifetime budget. And you can spend 150 bucks within one day and get all these followers, maybe within one day. So it doesn't really matter, but if you are scared of it, maybe put 50, so you're gonna spend max $50 a day. Doesn't really matter. When it starts as soon as possible, all day. Optimization goal, this is very important. This is the part that actually matters. You for sure want to say follow because we want people to follow us. And another one that's very important is the cost cap. So we want to set up our custom cost cap and set up exactly the same one I'm going to put right here. So, okay, so type in 0.02, okay? So that means that we only want to spend 2 cents per follower, okay? We don't want to spend more than that, okay? This is our limit. We're not gonna pay more than 2 cents per follower. If you don't set this up, you're gonna pay way more money. So make sure that you set it up that way. I just set it up. If you are cheap, you can also set it up 1 cent per follower. But I've noticed that it takes longer time. 2 cents is an optimal spot per follower. It's gonna, trust me, it works, okay? Then you're gonna go with continue. Next, you're gonna select your TikTok account. So this is mine. Then you're gonna click on TikTok post and you're gonna select the post you wanna advertise. So in my case is this one with the collage that I created. So I'm gonna click on confirm. And I already have a text in my post saying, hey, just take a screenshot, download free wallpaper. It's all for you. You get the idea. And once you have all of this set up, you're gonna just click on that you agree to all the TikTok requirements, blah, 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 and just click publish all. And congratulations, my friend, you just become a TikTok affiliate, okay? Well, maybe not yet, but once your ad is approved, it's gonna take you a couple days and you're gonna get approved. Trust me, speaking from experience, I have a couple people in my group in our Discord that the guys just joined as well. The only thing I'm gonna tell you, okay, this is something that I experienced myself, is once you hit 5,000 followers and you want to apply, you might not see the option to apply right away. So what happened to me, I hit the 5,000 followers, 5,100 actually. I ran a little bit extra to the 5,100 followers just in case, because I wasn't sure if I need exactly 5,000 or 5,000 plus. So I just ran the extra 100 people, and it took about 3 days to have the option to apply shown up on my TikTok account. Okay, so if you don't see it right away, don't worry. I think this is normal. Just give it a couple of days and the option should show up in your TikTok shop studio. Okay, it's gonna say apply as a TikTok shop creator, and that option is gonna show up again in a couple days after you hit the 5K. Okay, But trust me, this method works. I use it all the time. I have people in my Discord that use this method as well, and they joined. Here, you know what? Instead of me just talking about it, let me show you the actual results. So here's Andre, who just ran this ad campaign as well. He gained 889 followers. I guess he already had like 4K followers at this time, and he gained only about 900. That's how much he needed. And he says it worked. I have another guy in my group who just gained 5,000 followers as well. He sent me a private message saying that he got them using my method. So the Middle Eastern followers method works. It just requires a little bit of money, but remember, you can earn a lot of money with TikTok affiliate program. And this is the quickest and the easiest ways to get in without posting content, coming up with content. If you just want to do the live stream on TikTok affiliate program, or you want to, actually start making money with TikTok affiliate right away, this is the shortcut, okay? This is the shortcut. TikTok actually likes this method, in my opinion, because you spend money on their ad campaigns, so they like that you're spending money in TikTok. They're gonna see, oh, this guy has money. Let him run some ads. Yeah, he wants to do TikTok affiliate. Yeah, sure, he already spent some money in our platform. Let him do what he wants. I think they like it. This is just my conspiracy theory. I don't know, but yeah, that works. If you want to learn more about TikTok Shop affiliate and other TikTok related side hustles, please join our Discord. Go to dropshipping.com to learn more. There are courses, there's community, there are weekly meetings. I'm also gonna post a course dedicated to TikTok Shop affiliate that I learned, but we already have a program about TikTok dropshipping, and possibly we're gonna make one about TikTok Shop print on demand. This is something that I also explore right now, and it looks very promising. So we're gonna make more videos and content around it as well. But if you want to hear firsthand how the TikTok Shop print on demand program works and how profitable it can be, just join our community, okay? Go to dropshipping.com to learn more. But I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned more. If this video was valuable, don't forget to like it so other people that want to join TikTok affiliate program start earning money. But trust me, this method works. You're gonna love it, and I'm sure you're gonna see you on TikTok making money. I can't wait to see you. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. See you next time. Bye.